Hello aspirants, welcome you all. Let us discuss question number 58 of UPSC Prelims 2022. What is the remainder when 91 into 92 into 93 into 94 into 95 into 96 into 97 into 98 into 99 is divided by 1261? Yes, this concept is very important. Remainder theorem concept is very important. You need to aware of all the shortcuts etc. with respect to the remainder theorem and also how to find out the remainder. Okay, each year you are getting a question in this area. So let us solve this question. So it is given as 91 into 92 into 93 into 94 into 95 into 96 into 97 into 98 into 99, which is divisible by 1261. So here by go through this question, so every product are provided in terms of a 2-digit when the divisor is provided in terms of a 4-digit. So in such a case, so try to split that divisor into two factors. Okay, so how to find out the factor? So let us check with the factors first. So when this number is completely divisible, that is the factor. Okay, which means that if gives 0 as the remainder, then that is the factor. So now 1 is the factor here. 1261, yes. So therefore 1 is the factor. Then you can check with the 2 whether 2 is a factor. No, since the unit place contains odd number, 2 is not the factor. Then let us check with the 3. If you know the divisibility concepts, then it is very simple. So let us see divisibility by 3 concept. Sum of the factors or else sum of the digits is equal to divisible by 3, then the 1261 is also divisible by 3. That is the logic behind this one. So here 7, then 10. So 10 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, this full 1261 is not divisible by 3. So with this logic, let us move on with the divisibility by 4. In your divisibility by 4 concept, the last two numbers, so which is nothing but the 61. If it is divisible by 4, then 1261 is divisible by 4. You know, this is not divisible by 4. Then divisible by 5. So the unit place contains 1 here, therefore 1261 is not divisible by 5. So let us check with the 6. 6 also not divisible by. Okay, why 6 is not divisible? You know, in order to divide with the 6, a given number has to divided by 2 as well as divisible by 3. In order to divide by 2, the unit place should be a even number, but here in the odd number, then that case also not possible. So now let us check with the divisibility by 7. So here in order to use divisibility by 7, this is the very simple numbers, then go with the ordinary division. Okay, so here 1 times 7, 5 here, 6 here. So then this is completely divisible. Here 1 is there, 1 is not divisible by 7. So therefore divisibility by 7 also not applies here. So what is the divisibility by 8? So here divisibility by 8 is nothing but when the last 2 and 3 digit. Okay, so divisibility by 4 is nothing but a last 2 digit. Divisibility by 8 is nothing but the last 3 digit. When it is divisible by 8, then the full given number 1261 is divisible by 8. So in this case also not applicable. So now let us check with the divisibility by 9. So divisibility by 9 concept is also not applicable here, since 1261 is nothing but the 10. 10 is not divisible by 9. So same. So 10 is also, sorry, this is 9. 10 is also not applicable. Why? Since the unit place contains 1, then 10 is also not applicable. So likewise you need to go on. So let us check with the 13. 1261, here 13. Okay, 9 times 117. Okay, then borrow here. Okay, then here again right, 9 1, yes, 7 times 91 0. So therefore we have found the two factors. Since the two factors for 1261 is 13 and 97. Vice versa, If 13 is the divisible, okay, then gives you remainder as 0, then 97 is the quotient. The same thing will happen. When you divide this number with 97, surely the quotient is 13. So now the factors are 13 as well as 97. After you found this one, okay, there are two factors. Now 91 into 92 into 93 into 97 into 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Okay, which is divisible by 1261. Now listen carefully. Now what I am going to do is I am going to replace now this 1261 with the two factors. Now the two factors are 13 into 97. When this 97 gets cancelled, then this 13 you can cancel here. So now there is no denominator itself, which means that all that numerator is completely divisible by 13 into 97. So which means that a given a product is completely divisible by 1261. When a number is completely divisible by 1261, which means that the remainder is going to be the 0. That is the concept called as completely divisible. So therefore, whatever be the number, whatever be the resultant, when it is completely divisible by the factors of 1261, the remainder is 0. So therefore, in this case, the answer would be D, option 0 is the answer. I have explained very briefly. So in order to give the concept called as factors also. Thank you all. Have a good day.